Hello from Singapore and Palawan Beach Part 2. As I was walking this beach, I thought that this is also a nice spot to take a swim. Now I am at the very other end of the beach, as I took a swim earlier around 600 meters in that direction, and even the Palawan Island there is in the middle. Now we have a cloudy 17th of December. It is 5:45 p.m. and this is how a beach in Singapore looks like. So I really didn't know if there are beaches in Singapore, as it is a port city and overpopulated also, but they have at least 3 public beaches that I know of, and all of them located on this Sentosa island. And this is the second one that I'm visiting, Palawan Beach, and there is one more that I'm going to visit later. But Palawan Beach, it is a second episode indeed. Now they were talking something from the lifeguards earlier when I was swimming. I guess some of the areas are not so suitable to swim. And here also there is no lifeguard, but I have been swimming myself in many beaches without a lifeguard, as in Sweden there is basically no lifeguards at all of the beaches. It is at your own risk when you swim. Yes, so Singapore is a very small nation by area, but it has a lot of population in this very tiny piece of land. Now I haven't had time yet to explore the city. I came directly to the beach from the airport, but I did explore the airport as well. So yes, Palawan Beach Part 2, check out also the Part 1 as well, and let's go in for a quick swim here. And there is even some signs over there to say how deep it is, and it is not so deep as I can see. The water is also of a strange quality, as I can see. But at least here the bottom is nice compared to the other part of the beach. And this is how it looks like also from the sea. And this island of Sentosa, there are lots of famous amusement parks and similar. By the way, Universal is here. Which I won't have time to visit, but yeah. And there is also other different types of museums and hotel resorts as well, because Singapore is one of the most wealthiest countries in Asia. All right, so let's then dive in and take a swim, as I have one more beach to visit and only 1 hour left to do so, but luckily the beach is close enough here. So let's take another swim in Singapore. Why not? Oh yes, beach adventures with Chris in Singapore. Indeed. Amazing. Beautiful, but I really want to spend some more time to explore the city, that I will have time tomorrow as well, as I have a late flight to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, that I'm going to visit. And when you're going to see this video, I have already been there, so right, cool. That is a wrap from Palawan Beach Part 2 at Sentosa Island in Singapore, Southeast Asia. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment below if you have been to Singapore, or if you live in Singapore and have been to these beaches. Thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another Beach Adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.